I am so excited. Thanks for joining me, you guys. This is a really special shipment, and I cannot wait to open it. So let's just get right to it. These are Anthurium, and it is a very special shipment. It's probably going to be my last one for a while. I hope you got coffee, or today I've got tea. But, oh my goodness. Oh, I can't wait. And you know, the U.S. has been in a heat wave, and I asked them if they could ship this in a specific window, and you know what? They obliged. They were Johnny on the spot. So this is Green Escape. And let's see, I'm going to save the best one for last. So we will start. Let's start with, okay, I'm going to put that one there. That one there. Okay, let's start with this one. Now these are all starters, and I got them really cheap because I bought at least 4 at once, and I got them on the weekend. So I got a really nice discount of 25% across the board. That's how to do it. Okay, this is SP Napo. And you got to remember, these plants have gone 3,000 miles. 3,000 miles. And for a starter, that looks really good. Let me show you. I'm going to move this light because it is in my way. There we go. So, I've got a couple Napo crosses, but this is actually the species. So, I have a little Napo sticker, just in case. And it goes right there. Okay, so that's plant number 1. Unfortunately, I have a terrible camera, and it cuts out on me. I gotta get a new one, but I just got a new laptop, so I can only afford so much at once. And I haven't even set that up yet. Alright, this is Papillomaminum Indoform. So let's see what I got. Oh, it's tiny. Oh my. It had a rough ride. It's little. It is really tiny. It is not seed grown. Oh, it's okay. It's not seed grown. It's a TC. Tissue culture. Okay. Pull it out of its package. It is cute. Okay, so we want to mark it. These are not the special ones, okay? That's coming. I couldn't believe I got what I got at the prices I got it. And then I grabbed one more at the last minute, which I'm going to show you last. And I wasn't planning on getting any more, but I look regularly because it's like, okay, what if that ever came up? But I thought I was dreaming. And when it showed up on the website, I almost cried. It's the last one we're going to open here. Okay, so this one's pretty special. This is Red Spider crossed with X1. I'm going to put a sticker on it right out of the gate, and then I'm going to show it to you. Papillomaminum Red Spider with X1. Look at that for a starter. And this one is seed grown, so there's going to be variables. So I cannot wait to see what this beautiful plant does. Everyone that everyone gets is going to be unique when you get a seed grown plant. Tissue culture, you can still have, what is it, autosomal variations, but when it comes to seed grown, Mother Nature runs the genetics on that. Whoops, we don't want that in there. Wrong can. That's my compost can. Okay, this other one, I've always wanted a red vein dark phoenix, and they were just all out of my price range. Now this is not a red vein dark phoenix, but it's close enough to make me happy. And it's got a little bit of shipping stress. Boy, they need water. Came from Florida to the Pacific Northwest, so it's been a long trip. Oh, and it had an emergent. Got a little bit of damage. So there it is. It took a beating, but it's got one good leaf. But you know what? I will pull it out of this state very quickly. Okay, drum roll. Drum roll. Now for the prize, and I hope it didn't get beat up in the shipping, because this one's real special. Okay. I need a sip of tea. Red Zinger. Whoa. It's got one yellowed leaf, but the other ones look good. Oh, because it broke off. Oh my goodness. Do you know what this is? This is a blue pap. Oh, and it was the old leaf. And it's got a little bud, so it's going to give me another one. This is a blue papillolaminum. And this one isn't quite hardened off. Look at how long and gorgeous these leaves are. I've always wanted a blue pap, and I now have one. And I got it at a steal. Oh, well, thank you. Thank you so much for joining me at opening up this really special shipment. And I want you all to have a wonderful day, and I hope you join me again next time. Signing off.